Nah, fuck the key Glock. Nah, don't fuck the key Glock. I mean, we talk about all this stuff for whatever, no bluff for whatever better thing, and that propaganda bringing me down. Thinking about it as if it's the truth. Well, I guess I'll hop up in the booth just to tell you that all the conspiracical, little radical, actual motherfucking things I could bring to the table are actually the truth. I am a fable of anonymous. It's not a miss. You want me to be on your consciousness? Well, all of this might be the last rap that I ever make, so you're gonna devastate it and make it look retarded. And I'm never gonna be in regards to another good rapper. As well, have a motherfucker look like a piece of shit when you fucking with them and bullying. I don't give a damn, but I'm a being vulgar and reading in a view of what you don't want to listen to, but I'ma speak the truth. Yeah, listening to anyone who says anything relevant to prayer for broad answer. Wait, that was Adam Calhoun. The prayer about how we was used to be doing. America used to be like this. This ain't as I remember. Oh yeah, just talking about Jesus. We wanna gather together for whatever bring this into a juggalos. Oh wait, an anonymous make me maybe be baby. Hey, we just gonna talk about all the drugs. I believe I told both of y'all. Yeah. But that doesn't matter right now. What matters is that all of this judgment or whatever's coming, and a mumbling of whatever, the fluttering of the butterfly's wings will bring it right back. How many times have I said that? I don't know. But I guess I'm just gonna blow through past every barrier, an obstacle with bombs that you'll call me a terrorist over. Even though I'm a soldier and I found out all of your motherfucking lies, this propagandic little hey, look at this is on the news, it must have been in your demand. They looking at you laugh while you getting off that profit of taxing. I mean, talking about nothing, I'm walking off and they're asking me for anything I bring. No knows for what word I sold ya. I know ya never believing, will believe in their propagandic reason for singing on a song. Might beat that wrong guy, I mean wrong woman or terrorist put in a position where they're gonna be spitting the bullets at me. You're pulling them tasers as fast as he could just react, and I'm reacting cause I'm a trained motherfucker. I don't know what I would do if I was to just lose all movement and I just stood still. I just took pills. I did drugs, I drank a whole bunch of alcohol, hanging out with y'all. On occasion, I will blow waiting on them joints to come in from my cousin. Thanksgiving, thanks for nothing. Christmas isn't even on that holiday of Christian, it was paganism, but we delivering the slithering down your spine when we teaching them kids that they are all in line for a gift they will never receive. I just hope that you believe when I preach and I'm singing on a track, recording that you're not just listening and bringing me back to that old time. Bringing me back to that old time, just to recollect so that I'll never forget that you can bet that you'll put your foot off in my ass and that I would have stretched off my nuts. Cause I never had none, such a sorrow. Hope I can borrow tomorrow for all the words I never put on my poetry, for better or worse. In the words of in a hearse, I'm cursed, so blurts out all the words now I pronounce and profound. I found whatever I want, bound to say, hey, cunt, you wanna fuck us up? I'm a phenomenon, on and on. I'll go and get up off of my nuts. Wait, subjects I'll tote back and forth from them topics, them subjects I woke. All of y'all woke and awakened. What am I saying? Let me bring up some relevant shit and make it a word and abbreviation for them acronyms. I mean, that's a sentence. I mean, am I gonna be doing the drugs? And am I gonna mumble? Am I gonna have anything that y'all can point out for that rap that is about the top charts? Are you gonna have any reasons for not believing in? Am I gonna be a conspiracy without that fear in me? Hearing these motherfuckers really acting, reacting, having a response, a rebuttal, whatever the trouble that will have gone through just to even talk to me would have been the reason for believing in the seasons of conspiracy. What I'm telling ya, I mean jet fuel melting the steel beams. Oh wait, a word I could have said again, rhyming about things that are none of my business. I wasn't around for that 2001. I remember that gymnasium. I'm getting done with this announcement. The Oklahoma Red Rose. Get home, looking on the news, watching it on the TV. Mama crying, cleaning the house just like she's about to be done doing right now, screwing with my mind. 2001, I remember walking in on that time. That wasn't my fault, that was all y'all, and all y'all's balls to get off of my face and off of my nuts for whatever word or explanation or what such. A motherfucking reason could have been in it. Hey, it wasn't me that was doing that thing. It wasn't me making this nation so safe and all collected that I could walk to the airport and never come back, or go to school and get shot right next to my friend and have to act like it never happened, cause the counselor was like, let that one and that one go. All your memories just blow. Get on down and you never know what you can learn from them. I will never feel nothing that bubbling up in my mind, and I'm mulling up the next line. I'm just gonna say something I know nothing about and then shout it out as if I'm hard on it. But I'm not hard on it, I'm off at that shit. Cause off and on it could have been perfect if I had said it, or did it how you liked it. But I'm striking down a Titan with one swing. I bring all of you with me, meaning that jet fuel does not melt, there's still beaming. I'm feeling Wolverine. Bringing up one thing here. Why did I have corona a couple months before all the news and stations and everything was saying that it was a thing? And why did I have it before that had happened? Laughing as it is actually a thing. I had corona months before they even said it was. And then 9/11, that special chip was on that plane, and then all the transactions and all that missing money, and then you've got this stuff happening in Ohio. They're just acting like it's not happening. And then Ukraine and Russia, but we're not going to war. We shouldn't be scared of war. None of our children will get drafted, because it's all propaganda used to control you. And I guarantee you, by the time they realize that they have fucked up, and by the time that you realized I was telling the truth the whole time, and by the time you realized that I can't always do everything perfect, you will have realized also that it is too late. And if you have any family members in Congress, or to do with any politics, period, or anything to do with the government, not talking about the troops, and all of a sudden everyone just drops, falls over dead, even in their bunkers. Even in their bunkers, everybody just drops dead, and we have to rebuild what you call America. Y'all gonna build it the exact same way? Or are you gonna make some differences? You gonna make some changes? Cause, all I have to do is make one fucking tone, and it signals the launch of every motherfucking head.